Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python and Java updated. Start by installing Python and Java, pick an editor such as VS Code or IntelliJ, and create a simple Hello World project in each language to confirm your setup. Follow that with short daily exercises focusing on syntax, variables, and control flow. Keep sessions focused and incremental to build momentum and confidence as you progress. Focus on core concepts that power real programs and make learning efficient. Compare how Python handles lists and dictionaries versus Java collections and generics to see trade-offs. Practice functions and methods, and then study classes to grasp object-oriented design. Add simple file, I/O, and try common libraries to build useful utilities. This steady approach creates a foundation that lets you tackle larger projects with. Adopt a practice strategy that keeps learning active and social. Pick small projects that solve real problems and alternate between Python and Java to compare patterns. Share code for review and join coding communities to get feedback and motivation. Break goals into weekly targets so progress is visible. Over time, these habits compound, making advanced topics easier and turning learning into a sustainable, enjoyable routine for lasting skill growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.